Hi guys, welcome back to another interesting tutorial. If you are new here, you are welcome. If you are my returning subscriber, I say thank you for always being on point to watch my videos. So today's tutorial is going to be on necklines. I'm going to show you how to cut basic different necklines. And it's so easy and simple and it's beginners friendly. If this is what you like to learn, stay tuned and learn. Thank you. So I have 4 papers cut down in front of me and each is a half scale basic bodice. So to start with, we are going to create V neckline. So let me put this one aside and start with the V neckline. So this is it. So to create our V neckline, we are going to go in 4 inches for the neck width and then 7 inches for the neck depth. The neck depth depends on how deep you want your V neck to be, but this is the basic ones. So I came down 7 inches and then 4 inches for the neck width. So I'll get my long ruler and then connect the 2 points together. So on this shoulder line, I'll be coming in 0.75 for the shoulder slope. And then I'll connect straight to the neck point. So this is our V neckline. We are dealing mainly with the front piece, the front body. So when you want to cut the back bodies, you take 4 inches for the neck width and then 1.5 inches for the neck depth. If you are cutting the back, you measure 4 inches for the wideness and 1.5 inches for the depth and cut. So let me open it up and see how our V neckline look like. This is how our V neckline look like. So this is our V neckline. This is our first, and then the second piece is going to be our round neckline. So to create our round neckline, you take 3 inches by 3 inches. That's 3 inches for the wideness and 3 inches for the depth, which is standard. And if you want to cut for the back, you take 3 inches for the width and then you come down 1 inch or 1.5 inch for the back. So I'm marking 3 inches by 3 inches. And then I'm going to mark 3 inches here again to get perfect round neck. I'm going to connect the 3 inches here. Then you take your measuring tape and then go in by 0.75 like so. And then you connect the line. Next, I'll come on the shoulder and mark 0.75 for the shoulder slope. Connect to the neck point, as you can see. Next, I'll cut it out. So our round neckline is ready. Let me open it up to see. We have our round neckline. You can deepen it, but this is the standard one. This is number 2. Now we move on to number 3. We are going to create our square neckline. So our bodice pattern is ready. For the square neckline, you go in 3.5 inches by 3.5 inches. And then you square the lines together. Make sure that you get your 3.5 here, like so. And then you come to the shoulder and come down 0.75 for the shoulder slope and connect it to the neckline. So our square neckline is ready now to cut it out. So our square neckline is ready. So let me open it up for you to see. You see, we get very nice square neckline. This is number 3. We move on to the number 4. Number 4 is going to be our scoop neckline. Scoop neckline is just like square neckline. So let's say this is our square neckline. But here is a bit round, like round curve design here like so. So let's move on to our scoop neckline. So our scoop neckline We are taking 3.5 inches by 3.5 inches, and then you square the line. And then on this side, you can go up by 0.75, and then here you can take 1 inch. So it's going to be like this. You see, it's shaped like this. This is our scope neckline. So on the shoulder line, I come in 0.75, and then I connect the line straight to meet the neck point. So now I'll cut it out for us to see how our scope neckline look like. You see how our scope neckline look like? Let me turn the back so that you see it well. This is our scope neckline. You see how it looks? It's like squared with rounded corners. These are our 4 necklines. This is the scoop neckline. This is the square neckline. This is our round neckline. And lastly, this is our V neckline. So guys, if you find this tutorial helpful, please don't forget to give it a huge thumbs up, share my videos, comment, and also don't miss out on my next video. Thank you for watching. Bye.